Oh my God. It's working.
There's some water. You can drink.
Oh, you got the hose and everything?
Yeah, look.
All
I
right.
needed that funky one because the rears, you have to go in the tire and out and around.
Oh Lord.
Yeah, it's because now we got smaller stems. It's going to be harder. But they did put those attachments on. I think I was doing 80 in those. Don't matter, it's gonna leak anyways.
150.
Yeah, a little before that.
You think so?
Oh, yeah.
My air compressor's off?
What?
Is it off? Oh, never mind. Gotcha. Oh, there's no PSI thing on here? Oh, there is. I'm over here tripping. Where'd you get this at?
From here down, I got it over at Harbor Freight.
Nice.
I think it was like 30 bucks. I had another one, but it was leaking. It had a crack right here. You know, from the, I think from the heat, maybe.
Yeah, this thing's taking so long.
I'm not worried about that. Nothing. I'll check it before I leave.
Okay. Okay. Excuse me. Wow.
What?
Sliding it down so slow.
Why? You don't like that, huh?
No, I don't. I thought I would think it would go down faster than that.
Open it up, no?
I did.
Oh, you did.
It's all the way open. Wow. You seen that? It just was like slow as hell.
All the new stuff today is shit. You know? It is, really. All the old stuff is better.
Some things. Yeah, but we left it up. You're not even supposed to leave it up. You're not supposed to leave a jack up like that. Huh? No, I'm saying you're not supposed to though.
Really?
No.
I didn't know that. Safety, right?
Well, not just that, it's got O-rings in it. The O-rings is what keeps the hydraulic pressure.
Oh.
Yeah.
I gave you gloves.
Yeah, I know. Whew, thank you. You ready to drive this bitch?
Yeah, I'll drive it to the...
Drive into the sun?
Yeah, they'll put it in the tub. It's probably got a little pinhole or something.
No, I was talking about drive this bitch in general.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I got to do some stuff in it today. Finish the floor in the back. Yep.
These gloves will break first contact.
Really?
Probably, yeah. They're really
I got
thin.
you a couple pairs so you can put
Yeah.
grease on it.
Oh yeah, definitely need them for that.
Yeah. She had them hidden in there. I know we had them.
So what, she had them underneath where the hair stuff was at?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what they look like.
My bathroom, though. She's got her bathroom.
A completely separate
Even
bathroom.
This is kind of low.
Uh,
Why? I don't understand it. The back's great. The front's a ugh.
maybe she's out here just like letting the air out before she goes to work.
Well, maybe because it's just sunk in the ground. That could be too. I don't know.
I messaged you. Oh, the cap. Here's your cap.
Oh. How the hell did you see that?
Well, I knew I took it off, so. Hey, bring that air hose over here, if you don't mind.
Oh, the blue one?
Yeah. Uh-oh.
What?
It won't reach.
Hang on here. Yeah, if you got a no jack and it still works, you're better off.
What?
This new technology bullshit.
Yeah? You don't.
You don't like the old school jacks?
Fuck that, I ain't trying to hand pump it. It's pumping itself. What you think about that?
Anything to get the job quicker and out of here
Yeah.
on every job. Because you know, if you got 4 jobs in that day, you can't be dicking around with a freaking jack home like this. Really?
Exactly.
I know. I've seen it too.
Hey, look at this. This one's even got a little clicker thing that holds it
As
down.
long as you like it, no, that's great.
45 bucks. No, 40 bucks. 40 or 45 I paid for that thing.
That's a good.
I like it better than the other one.
You do. Okay.
Hell yeah.
I'm gonna.
Okay. Now I can put the gloves on.
Yeah, I would.
Little hair gloves. Oh no, they ain't gonna work.
What?
Fuck no, they don't even fit no man hands. Hey, you're slow in progress.
There it is. There it is. Well, I figured I'd do that. I only see one though. Yeah. I think there's a couple more, but
God dang it. Son of a bitch.
what do you need?
I wished I knew.
This?
Oh, I need that crowbar. Yeah, that too. Okay. I'm gonna try to get that thing off, the cap off. Sweet.
I can put that out of the way.
Yeah.
That's kind of fucked up, huh? Wait till after lunch to put that glue down. But we never set up. Did you get your earpiece? It was over here?
Yeah, I got it. It's,
okay.
it's back in my ear.
Okay.
Okay.
I want to go away for it, even if it's a night this week. One night.
One night by yourself?
Yeah.
That's a vacation.
She goes, take it to work on Sunday.
Did she?
We'll have air, take a nap.
I don't think they want you taking a nap on the job.
I know. The other people, oh, we don't nap at night because they only do security at night and on the weekends
Yeah?
because they open during the day. And the guy that works Friday, Saturday, and Sunday till I get there, he goes, I don't nap. I'm up all whole time. That's bullshit. Only in a 15-minute cat nap? Nope. I said, okay, Dewey. I don't think so. I don't care who you are. You can't be up all those hours in the heat sometimes. I knows I dozed off one time, and the boss opened up the gate.
Yeah?
My truck's here. He come right up against me. He goes, how you doing? I went, sorry about that. I dozed off. It's like 110 over there.
Hey, you'll turn the wheel? You're gonna turn it back this way.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Let me get something to get this. Well, I don't have to worry about the grease right now. You got a paper towel somewhere?
Paper towel.
Yeah. I got rags in the car, but let me see if I got a rag in the car. I should have one from yesterday.
Clean rag?
It don't have to be clean, just so I don't get the grease on the tools.
Yeah.
There, that'll work.
This'll work.
All right, thank you. All right, go ahead and turn her.
This way towards my van, right?
Huh? Yeah.